to grace the Health is Well Day 2016, celebrated at Indraprastha School. In the lieu of Olympic enthusiasm and our own very PV Sindhu winning the silver medal for India, Shipra Malik winning the bronze, and Deepa Karmakar making India proud by being the only female gymnast from India and cutting the close fourth. The true example of firm determination, focus, and hard work and lots of efforts. I assure you that our children at EuroKids shall also mesmerizing you with the strong will and determination, body and spirit of the child, and aligning the three to achieve balance and harmony. When children experience physical activity, play, or games, a lot is taking place in their mind in the term of muscle development and coordination. And more importantly, their brains are being wired to take simple decisions, thus improving common sense. All this improves the self-esteem and joy level of in our children. Joy and this sense of achievement is what we want our children to feel. Our children shall display their skills and celebrate their individual uniqueness while they put up the joy of movement, our theme of the Health is Well Day 2016-17. The theme, Joy of Movement, helps our children to explore all the movement that we see around us. Movement of athlete, a bird. You will also notice the movement of snakes. Movement and the will to move from one place to another is essential. God gives to us living beings. Children need a lot more space and movement to energize their bodies and feel happy. Movement is seen in all life forms. Insects may be tiny, but like to crawl through their life. Birds love to liberate in the sky, and flying gives them joy. Games and sports have rules, yet allow immense liberation, happiness, and movement of athletes. They all seem to enjoy their space and movement of progression. Have you ever felt? Have you ever felt blessed for gift of movement? Imagine if you were restricted in space and could blessed for the gift of movement. Imagine if you were restricted in space and could not move around, how would that feel you? Restricted for sure, disappointment and unhappy to being tied down. Will it not be a lot more fulfilling if you stay healthy, happy, and had fun while enjoying it all the way? The need to feel happy is what at EuroKids imbibe in the children early on. When the body is in harmony, the thoughts are aligned to purpose, like our children during the practice season have understood how to keep this balance and truly feel the joy of their own movement. Today, 4th December, is the day when the EuroKids of Sector 93 Today, the 4th December is the day when the EuroKids of Sector 93 are celebrating second Health is Well Day and adding a feather to our cap and a smiling face to our memory book. I'm requesting our principal ma'am to come and light up the lamp. Who is going to light the lamp? For the applause. Keep them coming and let them young children show the joy of movement. The field is ready for the children to race the path and reach their goals. A few twists and turns are added to make the journey memorable. Parents, please sit back and enjoy their moment. Let's all. Playgroup PG. Aditya, Ishani, Riddhi, hey, run! Run, 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 run! Come on, fast, fast, stop fast! Go back to man, go back to man! Go, fast, fast, yay! Run! Run, run! Go back, go back! Dipali! Balance of movement and alignment. So let's see how our little girls jump, overcome the obstacles to move to the finish line. From some we have this. Run! Run, 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 run! Jump! 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 Go back to man! Go back to man! Yes, please parents, give them a big round of applause. Avyukta, Ranveer, Sachit, and Zayan. 3 hop! 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 Hop kids! Hop! Hop! Pick your beads! Pick your beads and go back to your ma'am. Go back! Go back, Avyukta! Go back to your ma'am! Avyukta, go! Avyukta, come back! Now, another set of participants. Nursery is ready. If the dolphin learns the skill at EuroKids, you shall be enchanted by the leap of these children as they prepare to dive and reach the finish line. So, hold your breath. Now keep clapping. Vrishna, Adya, and Meher. Great. 3, run. Run, run, run. Not done. Go back to your teacher. Good. Now, another set of participants are ready. Ibrahim, Daksh, 1, 2, 3, run. Run, 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 run. Clap, please. Please, parents, clap it. Run, run, run. Fast. Go back, baby. Go back. Go back. Go back to your ma'am. Yes. Very good. Very good. They keep health in mind and provide us the green vegetables, fruits, and milk. Give a big round of applause to these. These always on the move process as they collect the vegetables from the farm and bring it straight to run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Now go back to ma'am. Go back to ma'am. Go back to ma'am. Keep clapping. The movement becomes more complex. Now we will showcase the movement ahead. Let us put our hands together for the cricket players. 2, 3, start. Go back to your teacher. Give a round of applause, please. Yay, keep it up. Find out the gate numbers and get into the flight. These require presence of mind and quick thinking. Pilots need to go through the same process. Today, our little pilots are getting late to court. Enjoy Aditya. Ready, kids? 1, 2, 3, run! Run, 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 run! Yeah, good. Do it. Go back to you, ma'am. Yeah, we can go back. Go back to you, ma'am. Enough, go back. First, to keep the street clean. Our little cleaner. Erika, Abhiveer, and Arjit. Ready? Ready, kids? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! In your place, yes. Run! Go back! Go back to your teacher. Leave it. Go back to your teacher. They are ready to fly away. They have been waiting for this day. Now ready? Ready? Yeah. Sanaya, Ishan, Ishani, Aditya. Rithi. Ready? 1, 2, 3, run. Aditya. Aditya, come. Come fast. Very important to inculcate cleanliness habit in our children and respect the people who put effort to keep the